What's up guys, it's T. Today we're gonna make a super easy but really cool breakfast. I call this an egg in a hole. There's a million different names for it. Whatever you call it, it tastes awesome and we're gonna make it now. I took one piece of bread. It could be any piece of bread that you want, whatever kind of bread that you like. I like using Martin's potato bread, so that's what I'm using now. If you have a biscuit cutter, use it. I'm just gonna use a regular old glass. And I'm gonna turn it around and lightly press it. You don't wanna shatter anything. Lightly press it right into the center of the bread like that. The inside should pop out pretty easy. It shouldn't be that much of a struggle. So just put that to the side. Take a nice big skillet and put it onto medium-high heat. Gonna add some butter into there and just let that melt. Once the butter's melted, you're gonna add your bread. And then you're gonna add the little circular part into that too. Now talk about easy. The only thing we're gonna do here, it's really simple. I'm gonna crack the egg and I'm gonna put it right in the center. Just like that. I like my yolk runny, so I'm gonna make sure that it's running while I do this, but if you wanna scramble the egg and put it in there, or if you wanna cook it a little bit longer than I'm going to, if you like it a little bit more firm in the center, then you do that. But I'm gonna make it obviously the way that I like it, so I'm gonna leave it runny. You can season the egg now. I'm gonna put some salt. I'm gonna crack some pepper in there too. As you can see, the egg is starting to cook really nice now. I'm just gonna wait to flip the egg until I see this part here starting to turn white. All right, I think I'm ready to give it a flip now. So I'm gonna take the center, flip that. Oh, it looks nicely toasted to me. This is a preference also. Some people like to put this on top. I don't like to do that. I like to do something different with this. So I'm just gonna flip this now because I think it's ready. It's firmed up enough for me. It's hard to do this because my camera's in the way. All right, there you go. Just gonna let that cook for a minute or so because I want that yolk to still be runny. So like I said, if you want to keep it on longer, if you like it a little bit more firm, keep it on longer. If you want to add cheese to this, now would probably be the time to do that, but I'm just gonna eat it as is. So now I'm gonna take the egg in the hole, put it on the plate, take the inside and put it on the plate. Some people like to take this and dip it in here. Some people save the inside to make like, I don't know, a little sandwich or something out of it. But I also know a lot of people like to put jelly on it. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Just a little bit. Spread some jelly on there. Then you have an awesome egg in a hole and a little bonus snack on the side. All right, I'm gonna cut this. Let me just get the jelly off to the side and let me show you guys what it looks like inside. If you like a runny yolk, that's absolutely perfect. So this is how you make an egg in a hole. It's so simple. There's nothing to it. It's the easiest thing ever and it looks really cool. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you give it a try and thank you for watching.